Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kovo. So today we are going to solve AP Leak Code Challenge Day 19 and the problem is recovery binary source tree. So it's recover binary source tree. So let's see the problem statement. In the problem you are given the root of a binary source tree where the values of exactly two nodes of the trees were swapped by mistake. Recover the tree without changing its structure. So it's a binary search tree, but in the binary search tree there are two nodes that are swapped by mistakes. So that is swapped by mistake, and we have to recover that two nodes in their real position so that our tree becomes binary search tree. In this example, the root is given as 1, 3, null, null, 2. That is, 1 is the root, 3 is the left child, and 2 is the right child of the 3. So, here we can see that the tree is not in BST. So, we had swapped 3 and 1 to make this tree binary source tree. So, what we can do here, if we do the in-order traversal, we will get 3, 2, 1. That is not in shortened manner, so the tree is not in BST. But in this tree, if we do the in-order traverse, that is 1, 2, 3, so our tree is in, so we will get the elements in sorted manner, so it is binary source tree. So we'll apply in-order traversal over here to get our binary source tree. So first we will store the address and the elements of that position to a vector, and after that we will sort that vector, and then we will store that value to the addresses that we have stored. So let's code this. So first we will need two vectors that will store the value and another vector that will store the address. So vector of type end and vector of type tree node. T. Now we will make a function that will do in-order traversal. In-order that will take the parameter tree node and a vector of type int and vector of type tree node. So if our root is not null, then we will go inside this loop. So then we will move to the left. V as it is and T also. Then we will push the value of that root to our V and the value of the address where the root is. So we are pushing that address to our vector, then we will move to the right. So it's done. Then we will sort that vector then we will traverse through T. We will take another variable int that will be initialized to 0, and then we will change the value of that address to the value that we have now in V. So Vi, because we have all the elements in sorted manner that are stored in our vector V. So now we will increment our I, and then we will return. It's a void, so we don't have to return. So now let's run this. Oh, we haven't called the in order function. In order root v and t. Now let's run this. So let's submit. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Riya signing off. Meet you tomorrow in the next session of coding.